This video will go through the basic operation of the GO2 charge case. When you open the charge case, it turns on automatically. The charge case should connect to GO2 automatically if they've been paired before. Once connected, the screen will display "Click to start." Press the record or mode button to wake GO2 up. Press the mode button to switch to video mode, then press the record button to start shooting a video. To stop shooting, just press the record button. Alternatively, press the mode button to scroll through the shooting modes until you find the settings page. Then, press the mode button to scroll through the settings options. Press the record button to adjust as desired. Long press the mode button to turn GO2 off. Close the case to turn it off.